All right. So we are going to be working on our game page today. If you don't have the game page, then you can watch the other video, which is the puzzle page. So it says, choose the pictures about Amy Bockerstedt's foundation. So let's start with our first word, play. Play. Do we talk about playing in our article? Let's see.
Play.
Yeah. Amy plays golf. Canoe. Do we talk about canoe?
Canoe.
No. Canoe is something you do in water, and we did not talk about any sports that we do in water. What about golf?
Golf.
Yeah. Golf is a sport that we play outdoors with a club, and we try to hit the ball into the hole, and that is what Amy plays. And that is what her foundation is for to help people play golf. Scholarship. This one I'm going to tell you guys. We did not talk about scholarship in the article that we read, but in another article that we did not read, which is also about Amy, we did find out that she did get a scholarship. Which paid for her college, paid for her tuition. So she was able to go to college for free because the school paid for her school. What about horse? We talk about horses in this article.
Horse.
No, no horses, no animals were talked about in this article. What about the word try?
Try.
Yeah. Try is one of our vocabulary words. Try means to make an attempt to do something. So you see he is trying to push this ball. Or make an attempt. At least do it a little. Tournament. Tournament is a hard one. We didn't talk about it in our article particularly, but tournament is one of our words. I will tell you that now.
Tournament.
And it is when people are playing against different people until there is a final winner who wins the trophy. Foundation. Did we talk about foundation?
Foundation.
Yeah. For our article this week, a foundation is a group of people who are working together to help others. And so Amy's foundation works to help people with special needs play golf. Help. Is help one of our words? Or something we talked about this week?
Help.
Yeah. The foundation is helping people. So helping is when you give aid to someone else. You support them some way. Down syndrome. Did we talk about Down syndrome?
Down syndrome.
Yeah, Down syndrome is a type of special need, a type of disability that Amy herself has. And so she wants to help people who may be similar to her and help them succeed as well. Weeds. Did we talk about weeds?
Weeds.
No, we didn't talk about plants in this article. What about people? We talk about people?
People.
Yeah, the foundation is here to help lots of different people. Special needs. So special needs, something that we talked about in this article.
Special needs.
Yeah, so someone with special needs is someone that might have different abilities. Then they might be in a wheelchair, they might have trouble seeing or hearing, they might have some trouble, they might learn differently. And so all these people have special needs. Video. We talk about video. We didn't actually talk about video in this article, but
Video.
we will be watching videos, or maybe we've already watched videos actually of Amy and her foundation. And she gets filmed when she golfs as well. Best. Is best one of our words?
Best.
Yeah, best was one of our vocabulary words. It means to make an excellent effort when we're doing something. So if we want to work hard, we want to not, do something halfway. We want to do our best. And the last word is storm. Did we talk about storm?
Storm.
No, storm is when it's bad weather. There might be lightning or rain, thunder. We did not talk about that. So the words that we worked on were play, golf, scholarship, try, tournament, foundation, help, Down syndrome, people, special needs, video, and best. So you can also look for some of these words on your AAC device or your talker.